What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes. And are you working to some site that you made using HostGator and you do some changes and the change does not appear? It's because of the cache, and cache can be good, can be a way to optimize your site, to get better ranks, to get better results on performance tools. But when you are doing the site, when you are working on the page, it can be quite annoying. So you must disable cache to do your site, to create the layout, to edit the page, and only after having the final site made, you're gonna enable the cache. But how to disable the cache? First thing, in the case that you are using HostGator, okay, go to WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, and next to the WordPress dashboard, you're going to be able to find HostGator button. This is because you have installed the HostGator plugin that goes automatically when you install WordPress on HostGator server. Hover a mouse over it and click on settings, okay? Into the settings submenu, you're going to be able to find home, manage WordPress, marketplace, and help. Go to manage WordPress. Scroll down just a little bit and you're going to be able to find performance. You're going to click into this arrow, and as you can see, you can see the cache level. Okay, once right here, yours may be into this one or this one, but what do you want? We want to disable, so click on it. Wait to see the message to the settings has been saved, just like this, and you are good to go. Simple, easy, and very effective. Nothing much to do. All you have to do is create your site, design your page, and of course, when you have finished the layout, you're gonna set this one. That is the best one. And in the case that you want to review some change into some specific page, you're gonna be able to find the caching option into your WordPress toolbar, and you're gonna be able to click on purge all or purge this page to refresh this page and free it out of cache. And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!